How to make a low quality video on CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make a low quality video on CapCut. So basically I've taken a high quality video from Instagram, and as you can see, to make it to low quality, all you have to do is just click on this export icon at the top right corner, and it will give you an option to choose between 720 1080p resolution, and there is also option like ultra SD right next to the export option. So for now I'll simply select it, and before you export you can also actually set it, so which is the right thing to do. So basically you just have to decrease the resolution, and as you can see there is also option called code rate, so you can also basically give it to low or convert it to raw, and which will help you to save space as well. So you can leave it the frame rate as it is, and once you do all of that you can just disable this ultra SD, and once you do that your video will automatically be in a lowest of resolution and lowest quality. Now you can simply tap on this export button and wait for a few seconds, and just like that your video should be exported in the lowest possible quality. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.